So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. Then guys type HP LaserJet Pro MFP M404n. Okay, so by default detect Windows 10. So if you using different OS, like I am using Windows 11, so click to choose different OS and select OS Windows 10. And if you are using Windows 7, server 8, 10, so no worry about it. Installations process almost 100% same. Okay, so I tell you one by one. So this is universal printer driver. This is your printer firmware. So if you have to update of your printer, you just click to download and install it. This is very simple. So you can see this is basic driver. Okay, you can see the size. Okay, and this is the required internet. Actually this is software. HP is a smart printer setup. So printers drivers install by easy start software. Okay, so you can see this size is very low, and this is actual driver in this setup. Okay, and also this is, you can see the driver also is there, but this size might be so include the software. Okay, so download the any no installer. So I suggest to install basic driver solutions. Click to download, wait few seconds, and if you then install more, just click to download more driver. And you can also install this one, no worry, just very installations process same if you install basic or advanced. Okay, but that is a difference because this is installed by the software. If you are confused about your driver, you just try to this one, but first try basic and advanced. Okay, just click to single this setup. Now this is extract to data from software to your system. Then click to yes, continue. I receive the accept the installations agreement and setting, accept, no thanks, again click to no thanks. This is actually small softwares. Now you can see this is ready to installations start. Okay, so there are two types to install, automatic and manual. So if you are already install the driver in your offices and your home, so select this. Okay, like click to next and automatically detect your printer by the internet, by your network. Okay, otherwise if it is not connect, so please connect to cable like that. This is actually internet symbol. Okay, so connect to a printer symbol and then next. Now again checking the network environment. Okay, After that you have to type your printer IP. Okay, so if you don't know what's your printer IP, so you can use IP scanners tools to find your printer IP, and then enter 192.168, which is are you using, like 1.120. Okay, what exact your IP, and you just click to search it. Okay, then find and then next to install. Thank you. If you are facing some issues, so please comment me, I will